So today I am getting laser hair removal on my entire face because my body has decided that it wants to be a man, and so I gotta get these some bitches out of my face. Anyway, so I'm gonna be doing the entire face, but particularly the chin area, because that's where a lot of, not a lot, but like I'm seeing that these hairs are coming down. So this is gonna be my second treatment. I did one a month ago, and that they suggest that you come either like every 4 to 6 weeks to get the treatment, but I'm going to be doing them more aggressively, so I'm going to be every month. So I thought I'd bring you guys along for the journey so you could see what goes into this process. We'll talk a little bit about what type of machine they're using, but I did it before and it was not painful at all, and I know a lot of people are very interested in getting laser hair removal, so you get to see the entire process. So if you're interested, continue watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. That's me doing my little happy dance. I am in Virginia heading into the Bradley office building. That is the place that houses Vanish Laser Clinic. I love this place so much. This is now my second time coming back here because they did such a fantastic job the last time, and I cannot wait to get started on my laser treatment. And this is you just plugging in the parameters for...
I'm putting in for your skin type specifically.
Okay.
Two. And then that's me setting it up to get the machine started, and it's heating up right now.
Okay.
So then I would have been taking your notes, and then I give you your protective eyewear then.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So we're going to be doing the shaving now.
I just put some aloe vera on it. Just a little skin there. You really don't have that much either. How about your cheeks? Or are you just doing it?
I'm doing all of it.
Okay.
Because there was hair on the cheek area, and there's, you see the still dark spot?
Oh yeah,
She did that too.
Okay. Is that from, is that just from like ingrown hairs or?
A hair, one single hair was there.
Okay.
And yeah, it did. So right now Mia is going in and she's making sure to shave me. I have a lot of little fine hairs on my face along with a few coarse hairs. And the coarser the hair, of course, or the thicker the hair, the more you'll feel it when the laser is being used. But if you shave it down, it's even better. And the good thing is we're going to be using this Medio Star laser with the monolith handpiece. And it allows short pulses at a high frequency, which is great because it's going to make the whole hair removal process a whole lot more effective, faster, and comfortable. And just in case you guys were wondering, this is not a sponsored video post. I spent my own hard-earned money to get this laser treatment, so I just wanted to put that out there. Also, guys, if you have blonde hair or gray hair, silver hair, the laser may not work for you. As a matter of fact, I seriously doubt it will work for you because the way the laser works is it needs to target the pigment in your hair. So if you have no pigment, it just won't work.
Right, and if a little bit more thicker on there, it's going to feel a little weird, but I'd rather it thicker than not, you know? And if at any point I add more, it's because we just need a little more new filler. Okay.
Let me show them this face. So this is that's aloe vera, you said?
Aloe vera,
that's
yeah.
aloe vera on my face. So we're going to get ready to do the process. I know I look a mess.
And I also put some on this too, so it'll be like a lot more aloe vera.
And then you want me to put this?
Yes, please do. Right, I'm going to turn my machine on. So our first one's for your cheeks, it's the easiest. And we work with skin types too, so our skin types are, you are a 6. Actually, thinking about it, I'm actually going to have you
Put on the little...
Yeah, your hair actually goes a little bit higher than your cheekbone, so now looking at it, I'm actually going to have you put these on. Okay. And then I'll reapply it on your cheeks a little bit. Perfect. Alright. So now I'm going to move it about, skin has rolls. I'm going to move it about, your skin type is a 6. So we go down from 8, which means that we'll be doing 2 passes per any area.
Okay.
So it's just some aloe vera. You feel that coldness there? Good.
That's good.
Okay. I'm just going to do a little bit cold. feel all right?
I don't feel anything.
That's really good. I think the amount of aloe vera you add on sometimes really helps.
When we get to that chin area, I'm gonna feel it. I know.
The good thing too is we did a close shave, so that really allows for no pain or minimal anyway. Okay, I'm gonna move a little bit down here, Jessica. Good, thank you. Turning around.
You need to tilt up?
Just a little bit. Thank you.
Ooh,
I feel a little bit on the end.
Yeah.
And a little one.
But it's not bad.
It's like a little sting. I always tell people that's how you know you're getting them. Got that little monster. 1, 2.
Ooh, I feel those ones.
Good. I'll get those out of the way.
You can feel the heat on those ones.
A little bit more.
You can feel it. But I don't care. I just want them gone.
As long as they get them.
Suckers.
All right, I'm going to go on top of the chin here, okay? 1, 2, 3. All right, go like this. Like that. Yep, perfect. All right. Okay, great. So now I'm just going to have you either just shift your head over a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Just like that. Yeah, I could do that. I'm going to get this cheek first. Still feel cold and good?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, I intentionally did not speed up this part because I want you all to see every single bit of this process, to see how many passes that Mia does with the device, and just my reaction, my natural reaction. So bear with me, I did not speed this up on purpose.
Your cheek here. Okay, onto your lip area. Yep, do that. Perfect. A little bit there. Slow, tiny sting. Yep. Now we're going to move on the front here. Just make sure to keep that as tight as possible. Good. Good. Just a little one and another one. Good. Okay, perfect. Lip area's all done.
Good.
Now I'm going to...
It just felt like heat, like someone's blowing hot water.
Yeah, it does.
Heat on me. That wasn't bad.
Okay, good. And I'm going to put a little more aloe vera into your forehead. Okay. You really don't have too much on your forehead, too, so I'm going to stay a little bit in the middle here and onto the side. Okay. Woo! A little bit more.
Yeah. I felt that one. That must have gone right into my hairline.
Not really, actually.
No? Really?
Not really.
That's the first time.
I think maybe I didn't shave close enough on that area, but it didn't really go into your...
Woo, child.
You do have a little bit thicker ones here that I didn't notice.
Okay.
Let's see.
Listen.
The finer ones... the finer ones here had to be what... Let's see.
That's the first time I felt that one.
On the forehead. Honestly, the forehead is kind of...
If it's clean, then
hairs, yeah.
Then if it's fine, if it's clean, then I don't need anything there. Then
okay. Well, so it's mostly like these little hairs,
like
and
in the middle.
Oh, just in the middle. Okay, all right. I guess you're talking about like inner brow. Okay, perfect. Because I was like, that's why I was like, I don't want to shave down your baby hairs. They're so cute. I don't want anyone to shave my baby hairs.
That's right,
like,
girl.
I don't want that in there.
I need as many of them as possible.
I love baby hairs. Let's just regrowth.
Listen.
All right, so we're gonna stay in that middle there then.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I love that this machine is quiet too.
Oh yeah, just a little bit. It's not like the other ones are
like,
just yeah,
yep.
no. Alright, I see the issue first. I'm gonna do this little part. Okay, that's what it was. Okay, this one here. Okay, there you go.
And then just that neck area. Just, I don't know if that's
just
gonna
a little further down. Yeah, I'm gonna just use my aloe vera and then I'll get that area done. Yeah, you're mostly done.
Good.
Not too bad, right? Quick and painless, kind of.
It's really good.
Okay. How's that feel? Feels good up there? Okay. Check this area out in the back here.
You know why I prefer this? Because the plucking will leave dark marks. For me, I have melanin, a lot of melanin in my skin.
Yes, yeah.
And I hate that.
I hate that too. I get that a lot, and it happens immediately too. Like if I tweeze a little hair and then it doesn't come the full way, for example, and the half of it is left, then when I tweeze it next, it's all completely like hyperpigmented.
Yes.
I'm gonna go down here a little bit to even out the other side. Okay. There's a little hair there, so if it's staying, it'll be okay. Feel okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
We're all done.
What?
So then I'm just gonna add a little bit more aloe vera and just kind of smooth that onto your face, and you can wipe it off completely, but I just want to make sure that you have, in any areas that you feel a little hot, I can put arnica on if you would like. Like your lip area.
Yeah, I was gonna say just right here. It's not super hot, but
it's just a little bit up here, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's normal. And sometimes your heat sensitivity can increase a little bit with like the sessions that you do. Okay, so I will go over and get the arnica. I'm gonna move yours just as far here.
What a process. See what I'm doing? I love you guys so much. I'm doing this for y'all.
Do your mouth a little bit. Okay. And it's just gonna cool it down a little bit. Especially I'm gonna put a little bit under your chin because sometimes once the sun hits, you can feel just a little bit more. So, and then you can keep any moisturizer that you put on. Just make sure to have your area kind of clean and no direct fully sun. I know it's a very sunny, pretty day, but trying to have your visor down, and maybe even if you have a hat, just for the next couple of hours. And other than your chin, kind of rub in the aloe vera to your face if you would like, or I can give you a napkin. Okay, so I'll give you one.
It smells like Vicks Vapor Rub.
A little bit. A little bit. It'll have that soothingness too. So I tell people you can rub it in because sometimes it feels really good to just have that aloe vera, but here's some for your hands.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It looks really, really good for you too.
Yeah. You did a great job, Mia.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much for that.
I'm glad it felt okay.
Yeah.
I know some people have a little sensitivity to the light, but
no, this was
really
good. All right.
I'm happy you're doing this for that reason.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, guys. So that's the process. Like I said, it was not painful. I had like one shock. That's because it was like really thick hair up there, but that's nothing compared to everything. It just feels like nothing. Like for the area. Now, I'll say this: if you have coarse hair all over your face, as long as they shave it down, you will feel it, but it won't feel it as much as if you just come in with the full hair. But for the most part, I didn't feel anything. And when it came to the part with like hairs, where you could feel the hairs, it felt like just hot air blowing on my face. That was my experience. I know everybody's experience is different, but I definitely will do this again every month until these hairs are gone. Because I don't want to feel like the bearded lady. So there we go. So I'll see you guys next week, Wednesday, 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, right here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave comments down below. Let me know what you think. Give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next week. Love you. Mwah. Thank you, Mia.
I love that. Reference, of course.